Hello. So today I'm holding myself accountable because I'm not getting anywhere with my knitting. So as you might be aware, I have finished my friend's bikini and I still need to ship it off, but it's like half an hour away, so I haven't gone yet. And I'm making myself one, and I keep starting this bikini video like multiple times, so I'm just gonna give up with all the other videos that I've taken and start from here because I have finished my top for myself. I haven't tried it on yet or weaved in the ends clearly, and yesterday I did a whole bunch of the bottom. I did finish one side and I started this yesterday and did this much on the beach. I'm not too far off casting off, binding off, and then I just need to do the straps. But today this is going to be done. This is why I'm taking this video, just to get shit done, because I haven't done anything for a long time and I need to get myself back on track with all of my creations. I have so much yarn to use, and I still have this going, which is a new pattern coming out, and I just want to make things, but my brain's not been here. So today is the start of me getting my shit sorted out, and I'm gonna bring you along with me, and I'm gonna show you the end result of my bikini. So if you want to make one, the pattern is in my Etsy and my website, which I'll link in the description. I've done one side, I've done two sides, so there wasn't actually that many rows I had to do, maybe like 3, and I've made it, I think it's the same size, as like 2 rows bigger probably. No, it's the same. I'm really hoping it'll fit. I'm gonna start doing the, what do you call it, the straps, and they don't take too long. I'm gonna do a full stitch I-cord, pick up 2 on the side and then 2 on the top, so it'll be like a little nice pull. I will be wearing this on the beach tomorrow. I have to. I think I'm just bored of making bikinis, to be honest, which is why I haven't finished this. So I definitely need to have a little change. I do have something that I'm making after this, which is like a matching piece to the green Vela top. I think the girl came out with a matching shorts pattern, so that's gonna be fun. I'm hoping I have enough yarn for that. I need to also find a yarn store just in case I don't have enough yarn for that. I'm just blabbering on. I'm literally living in the middle of the jungle, and I tried to get an Amazon delivery here and they just could not get it to me, so that got returned and I gave up trying to get anything. So everything that I do want to order, I have to go half an hour into the next city or town over and pick it up from there. really tidy cast on. Look at that. I love it. Now I'm going to keep doing this until I've reached my length 3 more times, and then I'll show you what I have to do next. Okay, I have fucking finished. I've tried it on also, and it is beautiful. I'm going to show you right now. This is it. This is my pattern, my design, and honestly I'm completely obsessed. This is the high-waisted option, but you can keep going depending on the length that you want. You can just keep trying it, and then you have options for the back. This is like the super cheeky version. I won't show too much because that's a lot. And this is adjustable on the bottom, but that's not an option on my design. I think I will update it and give you that. Overall, I think I should have done this a bit bigger. I did experiment a little bit because I have small boobs, but I should have just left it how my pattern is instead of guessing. But I hope you like it, and it's customizable for any size, any shape, any whatever. Like, go make one. It's so comfy too. I'm gonna go test it out tomorrow on the beach in this yarn because I don't know if it's going to be too heavy or not, so I'm going to take my spare bikini and just in case it droops. But I really do want to buy like proper bikini yarn and make a limited amount of bikinis to sell and open up a store. Cool. But on that note, I hope you like this video. I literally did it just to finish things. My next step is the sunrise skirt wrap, which will be a whole different video. I'm probably like halfway done now, so expect it during the week is my plan. Thank you for watching this really weird quick video, and I'll see you in the next one.